her stress level, and her recovery percentage. So think of the recovery as your battery for the day, right? So as you drain it, it has to recharge. So this shows the condition of the battery when you wake up in the morning. And then it's also using those insights together with journaling, and there could also be uploaded medical records, for example. Okay. So let's say that I've been doing some, it could be blood tests, it could be a doctor's note. Then I could also add that as information here. Nick, so you have quite an interesting background, both from medical and construction, and now in these days of AI. Could you elaborate a little bit on where you see AI in the construction business?
I think for now, as I'm working, so AI will replace a lot the time to produce the product. It means design or using the technology to perfection of the whole process can be clean. But, it's not yet to be 100% replaced by AI yet. Human is still a very important factor in this industry as a whole.
Mm-hmm. So what you mean is in the planning, in the design, in the engineering, you believe that AI will take a big role?
It will, definitely. It is right now when the idea still has to come from people. Right? You have to draw up the concept, but the legwork that has been done mostly by AI these days. Mm-hmm. So when just pump the ideas in, and it will come out in a sense that it will take weeks for the project, but now it will take hours. You have roughly, I think, about 80% of what has to be done, and it's need to be fixed a little, but it will get there.
Yeah, so it's about within the 80%
workflow.
It's a similar thing I see both in computer engineering and other industries as well. AI is about 80% accurate. Then there is these 20% that we need to fix or to work further through normal human intelligence. And it sounds to me like you see in the construction industry the same as we see in most other industries, that we're doing the same with AI, only we do it faster. Maybe, yeah?
Yeah. It will take, first I think it reduce a lot of what they call it, manual work a lot. Right? Things that it has been, if you put it in the system, it has been repeated, done, and then it can be done by AI, which is very time consuming, especially costing.
Yeah.
More effective, yeah.
Yeah.
Definitely.
I've spent some time both thinking about what make us succeed with AI and what is just a part of, call it, making ourselves more productive and effective in terms of time. And the McKinsey report that came out for 25 is also showing that most companies are just doing the same, only faster. And what I've been pondering around is the economy in it, right? Because if we use AI to produce what we're producing only faster, like you said, things that you spent weeks doing, now you spend hours doing it, right? Yeah. So who is having the financial gain of it? Is it you as a construction business, or is the expectations from the customers kind of eating that benefit on their end?
Well, I think the game here is everybody wins. It's not. It's about cutting costs or who it will be cutting out the race here. It's just changing the games a little bit. But human is still a big factor in it. I think the role of the job is going to change. The role of the people is going to change. But the cost will be improved. Better product will be delivered. Right? Everybody will be happy. So I think it's not a big question here. It's not about. I think it's not about who losing or anything.
No.
Right? It's about how we do things better and how we do things faster and more efficient. Right? I think one of the side thing, the main thing people hardly think about is if we do the same thing and we do it a lot of faster, and then we have more time for ourselves. Right? What are we all looking for these days?
Yeah.
It's not more time to looking for more money, but more time for you, right?
Yeah, and I think we will just fill that time with more work.
Oh,
So
that's people's choice.
by the end of the day, I think the expectations will change, right? So we've been discussing AI in construction, where you are currently doing a lot of work. You also have a background with medicine and pharmaceutical background.
Yep.
How do you see AI entering, or it's probably already entered? What is your experience with AI in that industry, and where do you think it will go forward on?
Well, it's a big thing now for everybody, especially not just AI, but I think the quantum thing is coming out.
Yeah.
Right? So the
Absolutely.
concept here is you run a lot of experiments over and over to find a result. So with AI right now, it shortened the process.
Yeah.
Right? And even in the quantum thing, it can do basically what I understand is can do two things at a time. So when that happens, so the time you do the clinical trial or the data has been delivered is a lot faster. It takes years to develop one medical product or medicines, right? So now I think it will take a lot less than that, and it's really a big driven right now in the market.
Yeah.
For pharmaceutical, especially, it's like a gold mine now. Everybody will be very happy, and it's still a big leap, and hopefully it will deliver some breakthrough.
Absolutely. And if you look at that, so what you're saying here is that the time for the clinical trial will shorten.
Yeah, not clinical trial on human, but on the process of developing the right compound for
Okay,
things.
yeah.
So it's clinical trial for humans is definitely cannot be shortened. That's for sure.
Yeah.
But on the process of creating like the formula for the product, for example, right? The formulation process can be a lot shorter.
Yeah, we're talking about years shorter, or
years shorter. I mean,
Yeah.
It really is.
Yeah.
I read a lot about it these days, especially like I said, with the quantum chip that has been declared by Google. So they expect if they can do that, then that will be even shorter. Then yeah.
Yeah, maybe I should show you what we have done with Conscious Flow.
Okay.
Yeah, when an end user is opening their app.
Okay.
So now obviously it's late in the evening, but what you see here in the front opening screen is just standard biometric data, some standard measure and KPIs showing this person's HRV during the sleep, how many hours they slept, what their stress level currently are at, and also how good recovery they had. There might be advice given here that they should prioritize having some walks today or other activities they enjoy, like yoga or...
That's good, yeah.
I would see the therapists or doctors' notes. They would see their own journal notes, and they would see an AI summary of the whole session with recommendations. And this is what we call is accumulated insights, right? So it's following the client from where they are towards where they're going. So that means that we're not starting over again every day, right? So it follows the progress as we go. So Nick, now I've showed you what we are doing with Conscious Flow, and just want to have your insights. How do you see this fit into the future, and especially with what we've been talking about, AI is in many ways speeding up things, but also transform the way that we, do things in our lives. How do you think Conscious Flow can fit in to the healthcare section?
I think it's a great idea to keep a large amount of data, but with some analytical background with it. Right? So you have data, you have to analyze everything. But once you analyze it, you keep it, and then you keep growing that. You get to understand more about your body. You get more about your behaviors. For example, you can understand when you get pain, where it comes from.
Yes.
So as quick as possible. Sometimes pain is just not something that is not happen out of the blue. It has to be a consequence of something.
Absolutely.
So when you keep that kind of journal, I think it will be great. It will be helpful. Definitely.
Yeah. And what do you think about the direction that that we have chosen? You said with an analytical background, and I could sense that there was a careful part with the AI there. Now the direction we have chosen with Conscious Flow is that there is always a human overseeing the accumulation of the insights here. What do you think about us taking that direction?
I think that should be okay. That should be great to care for, to get those, because of course it still has to be some human supervision for it, of course, definitely. But yeah, I think it should be great. Yeah. Yep.
Yes. That was a very good discussion.
Thank you.
Thank you for having the discussion with us.
Thank you.